Forget bullet points and rehearsed facts. You're not just here to be shown life at Grand Canyon University. You're here to live it.
Hi,
Hey.
is it in here?
Yep, we're right through here.
Welcome to Discover GCU. On this overnight trip, you'll move into a real GCU dorm suite, complete with roommates, a shared living room, and your first taste of college independence. Wake up on campus, steps from the action with the freedom to dive in. One moment you're grabbing goggles, scrubs, a laptop, whatever your major calls for, and jumping into hands-on academic sessions in labs, classrooms, and studios. The next, you're taking the mic at karaoke, hitting the court for volleyball, or heading to a campus event of your choice. Strangers turn into friends, and your favorite hangout spot finds you. Lift your hands in worship or bow your head in prayer. At GCU, faith is lived out loud. Step into chapel or worship nights and feel what it means to be in a community that welcomes every student. And when the sun goes down, you'll see how campus lights up. Feel the energy of a pregame prayer in a packed arena. Then stand shoulder to shoulder with Habits at the center of the biggest party in college basketball. The music, lights, and energy won't stop until the final buzzer. Discover GCU isn't about watching students' lives on campus. It's about stepping into their shoes and experiencing what your college life could really be. And to personalize your experience, your Discover host will help you find where you'll fit. They're current students who can lead you to the places, people, and programs that speak to you. In between all the big moments, there's space to reflect, to ask yourself, what if this is where it all begins? The best part? This trip is on us. Airfare, meals, housing, it's all covered. No cost, no barriers. Just your future waiting. You'll try new things, meet new friends, maybe even your future roommate, and start making GCU your own. By the time you leave, you're not wondering what college could be like. You've lived it. So don't just wonder, discover. Discover GCU.